Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a safe dock feature that removes the feature to publish docs to the web from Google Workspace for education to prevent your students from sending out harmful messages to the internet. Google Workspace has a feature where any docs, sheets, slides, or drawings can be shared with the public in an accessible form of web pages. This is convenient to share information. As schools don't want students to share internal resources externally, SafeDock has the ability to turn that feature off. The left window is a student's Chrome browser without SafeDock installed, and the right window is another student's browser with SafeDock installed. You can publish files to the webby clicking File, Publish to the web. SafeDock disables this feature by removing the file, Publish to the web menu entry. This also applies to slides and sheets. The feature is controlled by the Block Web Publish configuration, but note that SafeDock does not block publishing files to the web feature by default. If you have yet to install SafeDock, you can apply a 30 days trial.